The transmission plays a vital role, as without it, your equipment will simply not move. The transmission is what changes the gears of an engine, transferring engine power to the wheels or tracks. The transmission is a very complex system with thousands of parts moving and interacting. Routine maintenance and care of the transmission is critical to ensuring the reliable performance of your Kubota machine, day in, day out. Choose genuine Kubota hydraulic oil and filters. They make all the difference, ensuring long-lasting performance, wear protection, and the reliability of your Kubota machine. For more information, please watch other Kubota videos.